Hi guys, in this video I will tell you the differences between CFX and FLUENT and which one you should use. When you want to do flow analysis in ANSYS, that is, when you want to do CFD analysis, you come across two different programs. These are CFX and FLUENT. In fact, the purpose of both is the same, but they have some differences which I will talk about shortly. You can make your choice according to the physics of flight and the fields you analyze. CFX, you can only work with three-dimensional meshes. You can only do 3D analysis, but in FLUENT you can do both 2D and 3D analysis. FLUENT uses the cell-centered approach, while CFX uses the vertex-centered approach. In other words, FLUENT can work with polyhedral and cut cell meshes, while CFX can only work with tetra and hexa meshes, which are the classical meshes methods we know. FLUENT has special commands for post-processing, and this makes our work much easier. However, we need to create expressions ourselves in CFX. We can show these expressions in post-processing. CFX network adaptation capabilities are weaker compared to FLUENT, so adaptive meshing in CFX can be used for single domains without GGI interface and limited physics. So what is adaptive meshing? In numerical analysis, adaptive mesh optimization is a method of dynamically adapting to accuracy of a solution in certain sensitive or turbulent regions of the simulation, and over the time the solution is calculated. In other words, you manually increase the quality in certain areas while meshing, and although this increases the quality, it also extends the time as the number of nodes increases. In addition, it may not always improve the quality of the analysis. Adaptive meshing automatically refines or coarsens the mesh based on the solution to achieve accurate results. CFX works completely implicitly comparatively faster than FLUENT, but requires a lot of storage. Simulation acceleration with GPU is possible in FLUENT but not in CFX. From what I have said so far, you can deduce that FLUENT is more advantageous. In fact, ANSYS engineers are constantly working on FLUENT, and each new release provides a significant improvement. FLUENT is especially beneficial for CFD beginners, as there are many more tutorials readily available on the internet, which makes it a little easier to learn. So, despite all the advantages of FLUENT, why are there still people using CFX? This question might come to your mind. The advantages of the programs vary according to the usage areas. FLUENT is not always more advantageous. For example, I myself was using FLUENT when I first started learning CFD. However, since I have been working on turbo machines recently, I prefer CFX more because CFX has a turbo mode specifically for turbo machines, and this makes my work much easier. CFX has a more user-friendly GUI, namely graphical user interface for those who will analyze turbo machines. But you can prefer FLUENT for high Mach number flows, such as hypersonic, multiphase, or chemical reaction flows.